Hey pioneers, this is a quick tutorial on how you can use the Piscrow application. So let's get started. First, to use the Piscrow application, you go to Pi browser, open the Pi browser, then on the top bar where you search for URL, you type in Piscrow. Then on your search, go to search results, you should see the first link there, that's Piscrow. Then you open the application. Here we're in. So you click on create escrow. You allow. Now you impute the amount of pie you want to pay to whatever goods and services you saw online and the reason why you're exchanging that pie. Then you click on create. So it will take you to the wallet.py application where it will indicate your wallet and you make payments. Here we're using the test pie because it's a test transaction, we are still not testing. So you dedicate the amount of pie you want to pay. You should note that this payment is not going to the buyer or seller you saw online. Piscrow is the third party that makes sure whatever deal you're doing with the stranger is actually as safe as possible. So you authenticate your payment, you successfully paid your payment, and now it takes you to this page where you share your redeem code to the seller or whoever is offering goods and services online. So you click on share and share your redeem code to the seller. So now you've shared your redeem code to the seller and you tell the seller to go and redeem the escrow you just created on Piscrow application. Now this is the seller. The seller copies the redeem code, goes to his or her Pi browser, do the same thing, search on the search bar, opens the application, then click on redeem. Then click on redeem escrow. Now when it clicks on redeem escrow, you put in the redeem code there and click redeem. Now the seller has redeemed the escrow. Now the seller will have to tell you that he has done that, or alternatively you get a notification from the application. Now you go to yours. This is the seller telling you he has redeemed the code. Now you go to the application. You have to confirm that it's actually the seller that's redeemed the code, not someone else that redeemed the code. So how will you do that? You click on confirm and the seller's name will pop up on the application and you have to confirm if that name tallies with the seller's name. So you ask the person if the person is that name you saw from the Piscrow application. So if the seller confirms that he or she is the person that has that name, then you can proceed, click continue. So you successfully created an escrow and now the seller can safely ship your goods to you because currently at this stage you can't cancel the escrow anymore since the seller has confirmed the escrow. You confirmed that the seller has confirmed the escrow. So you tell the seller to ship his or her goods, but for the seller to be sure, the seller has to confirm that the money is actually with Piscrow, not with you. So the seller has to go in his Piscrow account and confirm his wallet where he will receive the funds. So if he has confirmed the wallet where he will receive the funds, you have a button to click on done my part. You shouldn't click on done my part if you've not actually shipped the goods. So since you have that click on done my part button, meaning Piscrow application is currently with the buy, so you are free to ship the goods now. That's from seller's end. So once you've done that, you go back to Pi browser and click on done my part. Now you've done your part of the deal. So once you've done that, now it's left for the person that wants to buy the goods and services to now go and release funds. So you inform the buyer that you've actually done that. Now you that you want to buy with your for buy, and you've confirmed that you've received the goods and you're satisfied with the goods that the seller sent to you, you go to the application. And you release the funds. You go back to the application and you release the funds. So once you click on release the funds, the Pi will be sent to the seller. So you see, with this whole scenario, there's nothing like someone blocking you after sending Pi to the person and no one is getting scammed. So Piscrow is a third-party application that makes sure that the buyer and the seller are satisfied in one